Hi, this is Ira Koyner from Triathlon Partners. I want to talk to you about something simple but extremely important when it comes to your financial life: getting a second opinion. Think about this. When you renovate a home, you get multiple estimates. When there's a medical concern, you get a second opinion. And even when your car needs a repair, you compare prices. But when it comes to your financial plan, most people just take the first proposal they hear and stick with it for years without ever revisiting it. The truth is, financial strategies can get outdated. Tax laws change, markets evolve, your goals change, your income changes, your life changes, and yet the plan stays the same. That's where costly mistakes happen. A second opinion costs nothing, but a bad or outdated financial plan can affect you for a lifetime. When I give a second opinion, here's what I look at: investment risk, tax efficiency, retirement readiness, hidden inefficiencies, and estate creation. Most people are surprised at what we uncover in just a short conversation. And let me be clear, if your current plan is strong, I'll be the first to tell you. If something can be improved, you'll know exactly what it is before it becomes a problem. If you'd like a professional, no pressure review of your current financial strategy and estate planning, send me a message or schedule a quick call. Your wealth deserves the same diligence and second opinions you apply everywhere else in life. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. And here's to making smarter decisions with your money in the new year.